Here is a absolutely gorgeous 2012 Ford Econoline E150 VMI Tuscany handicap wheelchair conversion van with a fully lowered floor, Ricon lift. Beautiful, beautiful van. Clean Carfax, 60,000 original miles. Absolutely garage kept. Beautiful inside and out, rust free. Hard to find a van like this one. This one is in immaculate shape. Gorgeous southern van, no rust. Tow package, rear folding bed, power, wood grain interior accents. Got your indirect lighting throughout. Very nice, clean van. Give you the tour, point out any flaws that I can find. It's an absolutely beautiful van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. I mean, the paint and body on this van is laser straight. All the bumpers are nice. There's no dings, scratches. Van is beautiful. We hardly come across a van this nice. It's almost impossible. Give us a call if you have any questions at 954-561-2499, or you may text us at that number. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. This van has Michelin LTX tires. They're about 50% good on the tread life. Excellent, excellent shape. The frame, body on this van is awesome. Wheelchair lift is like brand new. It's hardly been used. It has very minimal uses on it. The interior of this van is beautiful. Gray cloth, very plush, non-smoker. Gorgeous inside. Gorgeous van inside. The floor, carpets, seats, everything is very, very nice and clean on this van. Give us a call if you got any questions. It is just turned 60,000 miles. This is an awesome setup. It's got the lowered floor, as you can see. Lowered floor in the rear. The lowered floor does not go up to the driver's seat, just to be clear. Got your teardrop light, indirect limo lighting in the ceiling. Got all your conversion van controls there in the center. It's got a power folding sofa. It goes all the way down. Not all the beds on these vans go all the way down. I have the brake depressed so that you could use the wheelchair lift. Van is running, runs and drives beautifully. 60,000 miles. CD sound system. It has the backup camera inside the rear view mirror. Microsoft Sync, a ton of service records from the previous owners. This van is awesome all the way around. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. We do ship to any destination in the world. We do accept trade-ins, any type of trade-ins. Let us know what you have. We also can help with financing on this van. We have great financing resources. If you need help with that, we're more than happy to help accommodate that. I'll show you how the wheelchair lift works here in a second. Give you the tour of the inside. This is a Ricon S-Series lift, a platform. Everything is in awesome shape. It operates from the pendant here. You can be very comfortable in the back of this van. Dual air, dual heat. Got the bed switch here, or in the rear of the van there is also a bed switch. You can see it goes up and down without a fail. That is your rear folding bench seat bed. Lowered floor. It does have the hard core rubber floor for all-terrain, all-weather, so you don't dirty up the van. As you can see, the condition is outstanding. It is just as good as it looks here in the video. There's a little mark here on the seat from the lift going in and out. We will have this repaired before the van is sold. We try to be fully upfront and disclose anything that we can find or see on any of our vehicles. If you have any questions, please call us. We're happy to help you. If you need measurements, please call us anytime. I'm going to show you how the wheelchair lift works. 954-561-2499. You can reach us there anytime. Again, Can work the wheelchair lift right here. It's a very awesome setup. Easy to use, 2-post lift, get on, safe and sound. It doesn't rattle. This van runs and drives super nice and quiet. It's laser straight down the sides, 60,000 miles, no rust. Beautiful Ford Econoline, 2012, clean Carfax, clean title, no stories whatsoever. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Happy to help at any time. Gorgeous van. I'm going to show you under the hood here. Tough to find one in this condition. We buy and sell many conversion vans. That's what we specialize in. We've been in business 45 years. I am just letting go of the brake. Opening the hood for you. Better be as thorough as we can. Give us a call. If you got any questions, happy to help. This is a 5.4 liter V8. As you can see under the hood, it is like brand new. Beautiful. California stickers. If you need it in Cali, give us a call. We can ship anywhere in the world. Fly in, drive it across country, whatever you want to do, we can make it happen for you. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Thank you.